So I wanted to give you guys a little bit more information. So here at the bike barn, they are still renting kayaks, canoes, bicycles. Everything is rentable. When you go to borrow stuff for the free items, if you haven't seen that video, it's called 5 Free Activities at the Fort. But if you want to borrow a basketball or a tennis ball, tennis rackets, stuff like that, you can still do it. The only difference is now you don't give them your license to hold, they just have you sign it. You can still borrow stuff. The only exception is that they are not renting pontoon boats at the marina and the little fast speed cruisers. But everything here at the bike barn is still available.
Yes, 30.
So this one is 30, the mother load.
Yes. Then the next one is Emerald, $15.
$15.
And then Pater is
$9.
Yes.
$9. All right.
They are.
Thank you. And they're still doing archery. That hasn't changed. Let's move on. Segway tours are still going here at the fort. Here's another change at the fort. They have the new sign for the new Clementine's Beach. So our friend John was the first one to notice the spelling in Clementine's Beach. It's definitely different, and we don't know if it was on purpose or if it was just a spelling error. I asked a cast member, and he said he was not aware of it. So maybe we found something new here at the fort. The 4 movies for this week are going to be Monday, Dumbo, the 1941 version. Wednesday, Cinderella. Friday, Tarzan. And Saturday is Brave.
So you can sit on the bottom and on the top.
Oh, okay. So they have blocked off entire rows. Very nice. And today's movie is Brave. Bottom benches are not blocked off at all because they already are far apart enough.
Celebrate the United States of America, a country whose pioneering spirit continues to live on.
This is Big Bear Path, and look how cool these lights are for the 4th of July. How in the world did he get them all the way up those trees? That is wild. Look at that. How high do you think that is, hon?
Wow. That's like...
I bet you those are as tall as that pine tree. Let's see what other decorations we can find here at the fort for 4th of July. And look at the parking here next to the settlement trading post, and that is the marina over there. Of course, the boats are not running right now, and there are no rentals over here at the marina. Don't forget, you can always get something at the P&J carryout and come over here by the marina and sit at one of these tables and have a lovely lunch, breakfast, or dinner overlooking the water. So, as you can see, the chairs are still put away. No laying here on the new beach. But you can always come down and enjoy the water. Still beautiful.